Hey Parry, make sure them see me if you eat my food, you know. Welcome to our little homemade fast food mukbang. So we are inviting you to come along with us, and I hope you have seen how we prepared and hope you have enjoyed it. I know you will leave your comment, or you have left your comments below already. So let us say a prayer, camera girl. I changed because you know my up and down. You know the look at flash, so I could say a little prayer. Sweet Holy Spirit, we want to thank you for life, thank you for strength, thank you for this our little meal intended to be a little mukbang. So we just hope what when we eat it will go through our system, and also that our YouTube family can enjoy with us, and also they will be able to make this and enjoy it with their family. Thank you, Lord. Amen. You know, say no amen. Which one of them sitting here for me? Anyone? So let me just take up one. So Parry, this is our double spinach chicken.
I can just take a piece of the napkin as well.
Take a piece? No, I take a piece. No.
Oh, tear.
Mukbang. So burger, or a double spinach chicken burger. So see what we have? We have 2 burger bun. Let me show you. We have 2 burger bun. We have right here. We have burger bun. We have lettuce. We have tomato. We have burger bun. We have onion. We have lettuce. So look here. I'm gonna try digging. Cause I know me real. Me a starve. I'm gonna see how big me can bite it. We don't have any cheese. If we had, camera girl would use. I would not. I go low pan cheese. You know, me and cheese no friend.
I always eat my fries before I eat my burger. That's right.
We have corn. What else something here? Lettuce. We not lettuce in enough, so you know it's a real thing. We're having water and we have a corn and all of that. I'm not get the good real bite of the probable potato, you know. That's why I'm not telling you. Let's get a little and the bread. So we're sharing it here.
But I'm not here today, guys. It's supposed to wash day for my hair. I hope I get to it.
So
That's
I
why I dropped
to
them.
me it drunkard, you're a breast in it long time. So let me try to bite. This is what it looks like, Parry. And the burger, the patty, is so smooth. I knew it would be like this, you know. It's not coarse. And I'll let them something that it's not coarse. You know? It is so good. And the coriander, wow. You know? How is it?
It's good.
It's good. It's really good, me not lie. It's better than I even thought. So, really good. Oh my, no, full sauce. I'm gonna put my full sauce. I'm ready to start. The sauce, maybe start. Oh God.
This side.
Camera girl, it's good. Done.
Yeah, it's
Finally, I get the taste of it now, you know. I know what's on the inside from the bun. It's good Parry. Good. Really good. Even better than I expected. And you know, we did the video to show us how we prepared it. Because you know, we're always about sharing and we're always about caring on my both channels. So, this is so good. This is so good, Paris. And that's why I make sure I stay near the sink, you know, because I can't bother. And the slaw.
It's good?
I slaw, yeah, slave.
Because I didn't taste it, that's why. I didn't taste the sauce.
The slaw, yeah, it's a slave Paris.
You're welcome.
Well, I'm saying that we did it. I did the first video to show you, to share that if you want, I understand that you're going to say it now. I mean,
Hold it good.
I try hold it good, but I be things up. I want me not to put it back down and give me this up.
You can put it down.
I'm not put it down. I have too much trouble with that something. I guess it was intended to wipe my mouth. That you can make your fast food at home with your family and share. Next time, I make my own burger bread. So, we want to talk a little about dieting. Come on, girl.
Yeah.
Because, let Camera girl go first. What is your take on dieting, Camera girl?
My
At least a
opinion,
burger you have the trouble.
my opinion on dieting, I don't know. I am not really a fan of it. Mostly because I like to eat my food and I don't like to lack anything. I'm not a person who can go on a diet. That doesn't work out for me. Maybe like, you know, a juice cleanse or something like that. I can probably do that, but I can't do dieting, eating specific amount of things each day. Because sometimes I'm here, I'm hungry and I want something to eat, but no, I can't eat it. I have to follow a diet. I can't eat for now or this and that. I don't really like it. I think if you're trying to go healthy or something like that, you still need every single food group you still need every food in the food group. It just depends on the proportions that you eat per day. So it doesn't mean that, or you go on a diet, you're eating all vegetables for the whole day or all of them something there. I don't think about that because I like my food. I like to eat. That's one thing it means. I can never go on a diet. But in my opinion, I don't really think it's necessary. You just need to watch what you practice. That's practically it. You just need to watch what you eat. Don't eat too much of the things that you know are bad. Balance it. Eat some things good. Eat a little bit of the little fried food here and there, a little sweets or so. It gives you energy. So you can't really be eating vegetables all the time. Not that I'm saying that you're not supposed to eat vegetables all the time. You're supposed to, but sometimes you have to balance it out. So you can't just eat it all the time like that. I don't think your body will get the right amount of energy. But that's my take on it.
I have never diet part. Never thought of it. I know when you do something, you have to think about it first. So I never thought of it because to me, I think it's also I see some people go about it. I think they're just stressing themselves.
Yeah, because
As Camera girl rightly say, eat minimal amount of things that you know that are fattening and stuff. Don't do it often. You eat a burger today and you know it's fattening. You wait until another month or so to eat a burger again. You know, that's how me do it. I really don't diet.
that's you. But because I can work it off, so if I eat a burger today, maybe 2 weeks later, maybe a week later, I'm eating another one. Only reason because I can work it off. I'm a very active person, so I can work it off. There's no problem.
And I don't drive, I walk a lot, so I love burgers. But nowadays, I get turned off from the burger them with them on my coat road. What do you think?
I don't really have a problem.
I get turned off from the burger them.
I don't really have a problem with it personally.
Hmm?
I don't necessarily have a problem with fast food personally. Depends on the place, but where I usually eat very Burger King, Popeyes.
Popeyes
Pizza
a burger too?
No, chicken burgers.
I'm a burger where you chat about, you know.
No, fast food in general for me, I don't have a problem. The only place I'm kind of getting tired of right now is KFC.
I don't come like that. This video, this is a mukbang. The video prior to this is to show you parallel that you can make your fast food at home. Comment if you feel like you can do your burger meal at home. From watching this previous video before this one, comment and tell me. And you don't necessarily have to use spinach in your chicken. You don't necessarily have to use chicken meat. You know, most of the time the burger are beef. But I eat a small amount of beef, you know. So if you eat a chicken burger faster than I eat a beef burger. Or more often, I would eat a chicken burger more often than I eat a beef But this is to share with you and to let you all know that you can make your fast food at home with your family.
Yeah, and it kind of turns out a little bit more healthier. Well, depends on what you do.
You can get to drain your fries. You can put some vegetable in your ground meat, you know. Half ground is vegetable, half ground meat, and you mix it together. Yeah. And you can adjust your salt intake. You can also adjust your herbs or your season where you want to use. You could also, just as I told you, you know, you can put your cheese. You could put some burger, some bacon.
You know, it's up to almost tastes like KFC coleslaw. It almost tastes like it.
Okay guys, so our battery was exhausted, so we had to go change our battery. So we are back. Maybe get 2 by during the time the battery had changed. How do you know me already? And while eating, I want to take the time out to welcome all the new people that have joined us on here. All those who are sending warm comments for us, we thank you so much. Welcome. Let me welcome you in a decent way to the Jamaican Debbie Debs channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And I hope that you will find success. You will find something over on this channel that can help you. You will find some video, some of our back then stories that are, you know, that will lift your spirits and, you know, and all of that. We thank you for your love. We thank you for your support. We have surpassed 4,000. We have passed 4,000. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Oh, well, here and why I realize that you all love those New Year's the cooking. So we're planning to do more prepping and cooking, mostly like for Sunday dinners and so breakfast and dinner, because I want to show you all that you don't have to do rice and peas and chicken and all of that every Sunday. Mix, and you know, because you know sometimes when you cook the rice and peas you get tired of it after that time, you know, and sometimes it's not every Sunday you're in the mood to do all this hectic, you know, cooking. So you're party. So I don't diet. I'm not, you know, I'm just have a word for the people who diet. Just take it slow.
Yeah.
Nobody just stress out yourself. And don't better go up on the scale every day. It is gonna stress you out.
Just throw out the scale.
Because remember, the excess weight that you wanna lose, you have gained it over time. Nobody make you feel because you have on some weight, make you feel less of yourself. No. Right? Because me not healthy. I not eat healthy, I just eat a little thing me get. I don't know if me overweight. Me top it, I don't know if me overweight at all. So just feel comfortable with yourself. If you feel like you want to lose some weight, yes, when you want to lose some weight, you'll feel it in your body. Just take your time slowly and go about it. You know? Because sometimes there are some people, you see some video that might lose, then they all about to push themselves through some tire. If you see, putting yourself running through tire, scaling on your belly to lose some weight. Probably what you think about them something. You never see them camera girl?
Oh yeah. I think the only type of people should be doing that are like the people who are used to the gym already.
I mean, I think how people are used to the gym and that. Some people might be quoting them can't manage.
No, those who aren't used to it, but
sorry.
it all depends on your body type, what you can manage. Don't put yourself through something.
Do certain things to stress out yourself. You can lose your weight without you stress yourself out. No, I don't think so. What do you think? Take your time. And look here, when you're trying to diet, you just don't go from a big plate of food to a small plate or nothing at all. You put yourself on a crash diet. You crash. Your body will crash. Just take your time and just go slow. Just go slow. Because remember, as I said before, you did not put that weight on overnight. Right? Take your time. Take your time. And you don't have to eat all vegetables. You don't have to drink all green juice. Just take your time and go through. Eat a little of this, a little of that, you know, You know, I feel way call already now. Like you see something in the way that want to eat one burger and deep within you know you feel for the burger, but through your eat to your girl. You know, you just you know call it. You not gonna buy the burger because buy a smaller one. What do you say about that?
Yeah.
You always eat a double whopper or a whatever the biggest one. Eat one of the smaller ones. And you still get a burger. And as you go along, so you want to eat one little mini one until you don't eat any at all. You just do it. Step by step. You're stepping down the ladder. Yes, it's about proportion. Take time. When you go up on the ladder and you want to come down, you just don't you'll crash. So you just take your time and you just reverse. A little at a time, a little at a time. That is my advice to all the people who would like to lose weight. Don't stress out yourself and don't go on the scale every day. You know? Oh. What is what we want to talk about? I have so much enjoyed this spinach. Oh, do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy it? Oh my god?
Yeah, it was really good.
You know, it's a burger eating messy. Only thing, I think I should have a bigger bread. You know?
Yeah, you could use one for
I could have just hold it more, but because of the store-bought bread, so what I do next time, I make my own bread. You know? Bigger to hold it because of the store, you know, for them bread is stay. You know? Most of the time, the bread can hold the patty. Yeah? And because it's the double patty, but it's good though. Really good. Oh. We're having water today. Well, that's what I try to now. Drink more water. Well, now and then, I used to drink a pop. You people say pop, we say sodas. So I'm trying to, I didn't drink a lot. I never used to drink a lot. Now and then, you know, even a little more than now and then. So I'm just trying to eliminate the soda altogether. Pardon. And try to drink fruit juice. I'm not going to drink pure water, you know. Me need some fruit juice in my body. You know, fruit juice. Oh.
Long away. You will drive? I'm saying you may
No, put it on good.
What, me?
And then I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on. You know that you get homemade coleslaw. You get coleslaw when you go to these places and they have in sugar. You can make yours at home and eliminate the sugar or just put a small amount. That's what we did. We just put a small amount of sugar in this. So I'm waiting on the first person to tell me to let me do it. I'm not ready that I will do it. I'm not ready that. So I know you all tell me what you think about it. Our first we mukbang. Long time we haven't done one. So we have a corn. I put it in the plastic. It's warm. I put it in the plastic just like how they would do. We don't have no straw or nothing. I could put a toothpick or something, but we are at home.
Toothpick will move it. Toothpick will move it.
Yes, for fat toothpick. I must get some wooden skewers. And I always love the corn. So it's warm now. It's in the plastic and it's being kept warm and it's moist. So I'm going to move to my corn here right now. And I'm feeling real good. You know, I'm not bloated. I feel full and I'm not bloated. You know what I'm saying? It was just good.
It's good?
Got it. When you taste it, it's like party. Like you know what you need to say.
No, very good.
Yes, it's on time if I can talk it on. This is so good. This is so nice. More home cooked meals. MHCM. More home cooked meals this year, Paris. Make that a part of your household motto. More home cooked meals. MHCM.
Milk recycle.
Mm-hmm. Talk to them, tell the party them right here. Tell them. Yeah, I mean it.
Have you ever had KFC corn before? You know it has that little sweetish taste to it. That's exactly what it is.
And if you did it with the milk, it has this sweetie, milky taste, but it tastes just like it. And to be honest, I always love KFC corn. That's the only thing I like on KFC, them corn. That is when you get a fresh one. Because from time you bad luck, you may get a stale one. Not that I buy, you know, when my son or they go and buy Kentucky meals and them come, I always eat the corn. I love the corn.
I really eat Kentucky.
And this is just like them, their corn.
I am good.
So comment, Parry. Have you ever done your homemade fast food? You comment and tell us which meal you ever done. Remember, in Jamaica we make this thing.
I'm done.
You finished? Alright, you can get that. Need some more water. No, wait up the table. No, don't move it, don't move it.
I'm not moving, I'm holding it.
And it's good to eat and don't drink the pop. When you drink the pop, when you eat a burger meal and drink the soda, it makes you feel so bloated. You know? I got had this double burger patty, the double patty, and now I have space could have another one easily. Quite comfortable I could have another one. I have space because I may not drink no pop. So I used to drink a little pop now and then. I just stop. Oh. You can't do anything now. Oh. Well, I feel like your food down. You don't have to stop talking. Oh. You stitch now and lucky.
No, it's just normally why I'm
I know. I'm not start coming natural. I don't know if I should upload. Try to redo this spinach burger. Spinach burger patty. I don't know. And do it on the main channel, but I'm still gonna leave all the ingredients, the proportion of the spinach to the chicken breast, and then you can go ahead and try it. And when you do, let me know in the comments below. Tell me how you want to go. Send me a picture. You're full. Thank the Lord Jesus. Thank the Lord. Papa. Just want to thank you once more for love. Thank you for inviting us in your homes. Thank you so much. I think I've seen, was it on this channel? All the way from Scotland. Thank you so much. Sending love to us right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream. I want to send a shout out, a few shout outs, and not because I don't call any names, you know. I don't want anybody to get jealous. You all, oh, pardon, we are a family. And sometimes I want to shout out people, but I don't know if I can do that because they haven't gotten any permission to. I just want to send a shout out now to a few people that I would like, you know, I know I can shout out. And if you are watching and you'd like me to give you prior shout outs or your birthday, just a random shout out to big up yourself. you just let me know. Let me know. We're going to be also leaving our contacts in the description of our Jamaican Debbie Debs channel. And we do have a second Instagram account. So we are going to be leaving the Instagram account for the Jamaican Debbie Debs. And we're also going to be leaving our contacts in the description of these videos too. And our post notification shout out will start when we reach 5,000. That's when we're going to start sending out post notification shout outs when we hit the 5,000 mark. So you can, make sure you stay tuned for that. And shout outs now. I want to send a shout out to Margaret Smith. Big up yourself, Margaret. I don't think she go by, I don't know, but you all know yourselves. Less Forever, Amaru Cooks, Natalie Harris. I want to send shout out to Sheppy Bradshaw. We want to send shout out to Erica Stapleton, all of those people. You know what I'm saying? And there are so many people. There are so many right here on the Jamaican Debbie Debs team. Joshua Gabriel. We're going to send a shout out to some of you have different names in the comment section that I know you have. Okay? Angela Hamilton, I can shout out she anywhere, anytime, any channel. Angela, big up yourself. Faye Grant, I want to send shout out to Faye. But just I say love and peace and every single one of you. I might not get the authority or the permission to call your names. Okay? So if you want me to give shout out and you want me to just go and big on up, that's what we just continue bigging up. Give thanks for the love and I give thanks for the support and just for this whole family thing that we're having together, this unity that we're having right on over here. Thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate you. Love, 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 more love and more home cooked meals. Okay, so from my little kitchen table here to wherever you are, it's just more love. And as we're about to leave, tomorrow girl she boss. You know she say, I'm not boss, I don't eat, but Roxy know where I go and so this way I go put up this Roxy. All of that. Roxy love Kentucky and burger and fries and patty. Them something them love. You think him easy? We're gonna introduce him to you one day in a video. That video that all be all about Roxy. If you would like to see it, please comment. Him nothing. So we are gonna be taking a little leave from now, and I hope you have enjoyed this little mukbang, homemade fast food mukbang. If you do, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave your comments below. Remember to share it. And okay, it doesn't matter what we do right on over here, whether we vlog, whether we cook, whether we sit down and eat, we mukbang or whatever we bang book, it doesn't matter. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. What them for do?
Stay up on top of it.
Right on top. See you.